Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen back in the chicken box. I'm going to share with y'all a recipe today that has kind of grown out of the chicken box. You know, when we opened, I didn't have any idea what we were going to do. I took a little bit of what we used to do and a little bit of what we do now, and I wanted to do something completely different. So I've had different dishes kind of grow through this. I got a recipe from Betsy next door. It's been really fun. I see all my old friends downtown. I'm learning new things to make for y'all, and this is a sandwich that has just come out of me standing here and somebody said blah, 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 blah. And I was like, you know what, I'll do you a chopped hot honey chicken finger wrap. And that's a good lunch for anybody. Very simple too. You see what I have here is our wrap. I've got some iceberg lettuce. I like to use iceberg lettuce on it. We've gotten 2 chicken fingers that come off of our hot food line here, and then our wrap from upstairs. This is actually going to be Teresa's lunch.
Yay!
So, yay! So I've got our tortilla here. The first thing I'm going to do, normally this goes much quicker because I really don't want Teresa's chicken fingers to get cold. But it's the price you pay for Faye, baby. So I take our iceberg lettuce, which has been washed, and I've got it chilled. It's nice and cool. That's important. Cold lettuce really lends itself good to the hot chopped chicken.
That's just regular ranch dressing?
Yep, regular ranch dressing. Now for our hot honey that we're going to do, I use equal parts of honey. I'm just about to the end of my honey here. I'd say probably 2 tablespoons. And I like to use, excuse my arm, I like to use Texas Pete, which has got great flavor, but it doesn't have a heat that you wouldn't want to eat. So about equal parts of that. Got my spoon here. Let's just give it a turn. So it's a sticky heat. I've also had people request cucumbers on here. Cucumbers and hot sauce go really well together. That's a great idea. So I'm going to take our chicken fingers that I have here. Put a quick chop on these. Get this tossed in here, coat it up. I'm going to take this out and lay it down Teresa's sandwich. Nope, let's get rid of these gloves. I'm a terrible wrapper. And I think it's better if you steam these before, but I don't have a steamer. So what I do is I think about Christmas presents. I tuck my edges, get my paper up here, tuck it on this side, tuck it into the bed, pull it tight. And then I have a handy dandy rubber band for right there. Hey, how about that? Well, I'm Jamie Deen, and this is Teresa's lunch. Now get yourself down to the chicken box. See y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.